Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Darshanam. If you are suffering from thyroid problem, then don't miss this video to watch till the end. It may be hyperthyroidism, more secretion of thyroxine hormone, or hypothyroidism, less secretion of thyroxine hormone. This is the best pranayama to treat it and to regulate it. It also has some other benefits like it can treat your vocal cord issues, sleep apnea, and snoring issues. You know which pranayama I'm talking about. Yes, Ujjayi Pranayama. This is one of the best pranayama for most of the vocal cord related or thyroid related issues. Practice of this pranayama is quite easy. This can be done in the standing position or sitting position or even in the lying down position like in Shavasana, and can be done anytime. So even during asana practice. So that is why it is convenient to everyone and limitation is almost zero and very easy to practice, but initially you need to focus on certain techniques because this pranayama is all about producing ocean sound or hissing sound. Initially producing this sound is quite easy for some people, but for some people it's very difficult because you need to train your vocal cord, glottis and your neck muscles and all. So that is why I'm going to teach you a simple technique how to prepare ourselves to produce this sound. I mean ocean sound or hissing sound. The technique is very simple. Sit in a comfortable position, keeping your back straight, neck straight, and simply inhale, naturally inhale, and while exhaling, open your mouth and mentally chant hum sound, gradually closing your lips, and try to experience this ocean sound in the back of the palate. And try to retain it in your memory so that it's easy to use this sound in the next Ujjayi Pranayama practices, during Ujjayi Pranayama practices. So watch me once. Once again. Natural inhalation, while exhaling, hum mentally. Once you able to produce this sound sufficiently and comfortably, that means you learn how to use your glottis, how to tighten your epiglottis and your vocal cord, all these things. So same sound you can implement it during the time of inhalation and exhalation. That is all about Ujjayi Pranayama. Let me show you a demo. For this, to do this Ujjayi Pranayama, sit in a comfortable position with head, neck, back straight. It can be Padmasana, Vajrasana, Sukhasana or Virasana, or even sitting in a chair, in the sofa, or even lying down position also okay for this pranayama. So apply a mudra, chin mudra in your hands, keep it on your laps and head, neck, back straight as I said. Close your eyes, breathe a couple of times deeply and slowly. Now try to produce that ocean sound or hissing sound by tightening your epiglottis and keeping all the attention in the vocal cord while inhaling, while exhaling deeply and slowly without any strain, without any force, like this. This ocean sound or hissing sound should come during Puraka, that means inhalation, and during Rechaka means exhalation. And this can be done 5 to 10 minutes continuously. Please do remember to practice pranayama in the empty stomach. If you have taken meals, practice pranayama after 4 hours. And if you have practiced pranayama, then wait at least 20 to 30 minutes minutes to eat food, to take shower, even to drink water. You may need more assistance. For that, you can seek any assistance from certified yoga teachers from Yoga Darshanam. If you have more questions, you can type in the comment box and send to me. I can help you. I will come back with another pranayama. Till then, keep enjoying this pranayama and stay with Yoga Darshanam. Thank you.